guys ready for our today's lesson?
Yes.
Right. So, we're going to begin our today's lesson with a video that I would like to share with you. Right? Now, when you're going to watch this video, I want you to pay keen attention because when the video is finished, I'll be asking you questions. Right? Good. So, let's begin the video.
Open and closed shapes. Open and closed shapes. Before we can understand what a polygon is, we must understand what it means for a shape to be closed. If a shape is closed, you can take a pencil and trace it all the way around back to where you started without running into any breaks. If there is a break in the shape, that means it is not closed and is called an open shape. Let's take a look at these two shapes. The first
So my first question is, based on the video that you just saw, right? You take a minute and think, what do you think is our topic for today? Take a minute and think about it. Alright, who would like to tell me what's our topic for today? Open and closed shape. Yes, Destiny?
Open and closed shapes.
Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Good. So our topic for today is open and closed shapes. Very good. Now, what can you tell me in your own words, based on the video, is an open shape and a closed shape? Take a minute again and think about it. Alright, you can tell me what's an open shape. Yes, Tade?
Open shape is when you start from a point, draw a shape, origin, and then back at the same time.
Very good. So an open shape is when you start a shape, but it doesn't end back at the same point. Meaning that there's a break in the line, right? How about a closed shape? Somebody, you can tell me what's a closed shape. Yeah.
Closed shape, when you draw a shape without taking any break at any point.
Very good. Give her a clap. So a closed shape has no break, and when you start it, it ends up back at the same point, right? So by now everybody have an idea what's an open shape, what's a closed shape?
Yes.
Good. So what is the difference between an open shape and a closed shape? Anybody?
Some has gaps. An open shape has gaps and a closed shape doesn't have any gaps.
Give her a clap. So we keep saying that a closed shape has no gaps, but an open shape has gaps, right? Good. So I'm going to show you the definition now of a closed shape and an open shape. And we're going to read it together. Good. So let's read it as a class.
Closed shape is a shape.
Again.
A shape that is fully connected with no gaps.
Good. So here it says that a closed shape is fully connected, meaning that it's an enclosed shape, right? And it has no gaps. Open shape now.
Open shape. A shape that has gaps and does not fully connect.
Good. So what we can say here is that the open shape is the opposite of the closed shape. While the open shape is while the open shape has gaps, the closed shape does not have gaps. Right? Good. Now we're going to go into a small activity that I would like you to do. You're going to work in here, right? And you're going to make a closed or an open shape, either one of your choice. Work with you and your partner sitting opposite of you. Your opposite partner. Destiny, you could join with Huma and Joshua. You can make either one, either a closed shape or an open shape. Very good. I see Ron already made his shape. Very good. Oh, I see some new shapes. Very good. Everybody going good so far? What shape is that?
It's a rectangle.
A rectangle. Is it a closed or an open shape?
It's a closed shape.
And why do you think it's a closed shape?
So it has no gaps and all the points of the
Very good. What shape is that? Triangle. Close or open?
open.
Open. And what makes you think it's open?
Without gaps.
Very good. Yes, Chad. What shape is that?
Hexagon, a square, and a triangle.
Excellent.
A square.
Close or open?
Open.
Why do you think it's open?
Because it has a both sides.
Well done. Yeah. Rectangle. And it's closed or open? It's closed? It's open. Why do you think it's open?
Because it has a big space in the
Excellent. What do you mean? Square. Close or open?
Closed.
Closed. Why do you think it's closed?
Because it has no gaps.
Well done. Yep. Next shape. Triangle. Close or open? Closed. Why do you think it's closed? Very good. So give yourself a round of applause. You did exceptionally well. And I can clearly see that you understand what's a closed and what's an open shape. Alright? Good. So we're gonna finish with these straws now. And we're gonna go into a small exercise that I would like you to complete. Alright? It's a worksheet. Each one of you will be having one. And you're going to take the shape or the shapes that are closed and you are going to join the ends of the open shapes. Right? So you're going to take off the shapes that are closed and the open ones, you're going to join them back together. Right? Meaning you're going to enclose the gap. Everybody have one?
Yes.
Good. You have to enclose all of the open shapes. So all of the open shapes are right. No, just close them. So everybody's finished? All right. Come on, check. Very good. Inside this group. Very good. Great. Clap. Good. So, by now, everybody understand the concept of open and closed shape, right?
Yes, miss.
Good. So, in a nutshell now, I'm going to ask you our final question before you can ask me questions. What is the difference between an open and a closed shape? Take a minute, think about it, and then you're going to tell us, right? The difference between an open shape and a closed shape. Yes, Hope? Very good. Open shape have gaps and closed shapes does not have gaps. Right? Very good. Now look around the classroom and what are some closed shapes you can see? This bar. So let us pay attention to this bar, right? All of the sides to this bar are connected. Isn't that so? Good. Now if I am to cut this bar, what will happen? Open, right? So how it is here is closed because all of the sides are joined, right? But if I'm to cut it, it will be an open shape, right? Good. Now, what are some other examples you can see in class? Computer. Okay, to close the computer, it could work as a, what kind of shapes? Rectangle. Very good. And all the sides are connected, right? So very good. It's a closed shape. A picture of the farm. Very good. That's a what kind of shape?
Square.
Square? Yes, it's a square. Very good, yeah. Good. This rainbow, is this rainbow closed shape or an open rainbow? Is this rainbow closed shape or an open shape?
Open.
Open because it's like a semicircle, right? Like an arc. It's not fully connected. It's an open shape. Very good. The coat of arms, very good. That's a closed shape. Fan is what kind of shape? Circle. You close her. The camp outside. Very good. It's a what kind of shape? Rectangle. Close or open? Good. Now, what are some questions you have on your mind now based on this topic that you'd like to ask me? Any questions?
So, the open shape is when you just like go all the way around the back to the right?
Yes. The closed shape? The closed shape, yes, is when you start at a point, you start drawing shape, but when the shape has to end, it has to end at the same point as you started. So if you're drawing a circle, you start at one point. Let me get a mark. 1 minute. Good. So we start here to draw a circle, right? So we draw the circle now. It has to connect back at the same point that you started. It has to end at the same point. Then it is enclosed and it's considered as a closed shape. But if you draw a circle like that, remember the circle didn't end the same place that you started at the same point. So therefore it is an open shape. Understand? Any other question? Now remember, there are various types of shapes, right? For example, What?